Hey guys, how's it going? How to boost income with HostingGirls Affiliate. So first of all, you need to understand the program. Familiarize yourself with HostingGirls Affiliate commission structure, including commission rates and payment method thresholds. Next, choose your niche. Focus on a specific niche that aligns with your audience. This could be web development, blogging, e-commerce, or other related topics. Next, create quality content. Produce a high quality blog posts, videos, or social media content that showcases HostingGirls features and benefit. And consider writing tutorials, reviews, or comparisons that include your affiliate link. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that you use social media. You're gonna leverage your affiliate content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Engage with your audience and answer their questions. Next, and you're gonna be able, you're gonna do the email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletter that includes valuable content in your affiliate link. Okay, provide exclusive offers to your subscribers. Next, leverage tutorials and guides. Create a daily guides on how to use HostingGirls services, from setting up a website to using their tools effectively. And by doing these steps, or by implementing these strategies, you'll be better positioned to increase your income through HostingGirls affiliate program. Consistency and commitment are key to long-term success. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.